Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with 2 admin accounts, Google Workspace and Shopify. Sign into Google Admin to confirm your domain and note the MX records plus SPF/TXT values. This ensures mail routing. Then log into Shopify, open online store domains, and add or select your domain. This is where you will point email. Once done, keep your DNS host login ready because you will update records there next. Make sure you don't close either admin window. Now switch to your DNS host. Remove any existing MX records that could conflict because multiple MX sets break delivery. Add Google's MX records with correct priorities and then add the TXT SPF record that includes SPF. Google. So other servers accept Workspace mail. If Shopify asked for CNAME or a records for verification, add those too. Once done, save changes and note propagation times. DNS can take minutes to hours, so be patient before testing. Finish by verifying the domain in Google Admin. This confirms Google recognizes your DNS updates. Then test by sending and receiving messages from the new Workspace address. Make sure emails are not landing in spam and check headers if they are. Once done, update Shopify contact and notification settings to use the Workspace address. If delivery fails, recheck MX entries, TTL, and SPF/TXT syntax. Small typos cause big problems. Then allow time for.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.